Before repair video at 4219 Ramsgate. It's January the 28th, 2014. Time now is 3:09 p.m. Grass will be cut, edged, and trimmed. Trees will be trimmed. Shrubs will be trimmed and debris removed. Anti-siphon on the faucets, exterior faucets that don't contain any. Burglar bars on the windows and doors will be removed. Concrete will be added to prevent trip hazard on the sidewalk and also on the driveway. Roof will be sealed. Vents on the roof will be sealed. Missing or damaged shingles will be replaced. Driveway cracks will be sealed. Prevent trip hazards. Light fixture on the exterior, the garage, dome lights and dome lights at the entry, at the entryway be replaced. All trash and debris will be removed to the front and backyard. Missing or damaged pickets will be repaired. Trash will be removed from the back. Debris from the back. Faucet in the back will be added. Burglar bars again will be removed. Vent and chimney will be sealed. Rain cap will be placed on chimney. Again trimmed. Trees will be trimmed. Debris removed. More burglar bars to be removed. Okay, and the inside, damage to the walls will be repaired, trash removed. Some more damage. Damage will be shown as I go. Some more damage to the walls. And the interior will be cleaned, walls will be repaired and painted. Entry, the door jamb will be replaced. This is damaged, and also weather stripping will be added. As there is none. Keyless deadbolt will be added. Peephole will be added. Door stopper will be added, as there is none. And a new light fixture will be installed. Front living room, new blinds will be installed. Smoke alarm will be installed right about here. And then Slide bulbs inside the ceiling fan. The kitchen area. We're going to paint kitchen cabinets. Install electrical stove white to match the dishwasher. Dishwasher looks broken too. Install a new dishwasher white as well. Light fixtures. Vent hood be installed white color. Kitchen sink. The faucet will be replaced. Blinds installed. And the broken glass will be replaced. Oh, that's laundry. Oh, P-trap will be installed. The kitchen sink. Blinds above the sink. New board on kitchen sink. The baseboard. In the laundry room. No broken window here is the broken window that will be replaced. Install blinds, keyless locking device on the exterior door, peephole on the back door, okay. In the garage area, we will install outlets for the garage door opener, as there is none. It's jerry rigged. Install light fixture. Service garage door to open and close properly. Door also needs a peephole and keyless deadbolt. Second living area. Okay. I installed vertical blinds and the sliding glass door, repair the siding and a sliding lock door locking mechanism. Install new rollers on the sliding glass doors, light bulbs, light fixture above the fireplace, smoke alarm, repair tiles, replace missing tiles, and of course the wall. Former dining area. Again, the vertical blinds. Smoke alarm. Door stopper. That's going to be here. Door stopper here. Replace broken window. This is formal dining smoke alarm. Install light bulbs, the ceiling fan. Install outlet covers. They'll complement each other. Match. Dimmer switch. Install entry door going into the hallway, which is missing. And door stop. Bedroom number 1. Call it the front bedroom. Install blinds. Of course, take the mini blind off. Replace the large broken window. Take off the burglar bars. Install closet doors. Install passive lock, as this has a key lock. Install bulbs. Ceiling fan. Install new entry door. Install carpet. Window screens. And the smoke alarm will also be installed. Bedroom number 2. Also install smoke alarm, closet doors, door stopper, passive lock on the door, carpet, remove burglar bars, install window screen, and install new blinds. As these are not complete. In the hallway, new smoke alarm will be installed. Right about here. And a new light fixture. Master bedroom. Okay, install new carpet. This old carpet will be removed. Again, the burglar bars will be removed from both windows. Cracks on the walls will be repaired, painted. All walls will be painted. Smoke alarm will be installed. Install blinds on the windows. Vertical blinds on the sliding glass door will be installed. Screens on the windows will be installed. Door stopper will be installed at the entry. Install passive lock. This is a regular doorknob. And replace all outlet covers to match. Master bathroom, new faucet will be installed. Light fixtures will be installed. Faucet. Repair the plumbing. Install flapper in the toilet. Install passive lock. And as that has a regular doorknob. And installing your vanity light bulbs, a P-trap under the sink. AC unit will be repaired. AC air intake vent replaced. House will be treated for venom, mice in the house. Repair and replace the damaged ducting in the attic. I cannot see. Guest restroom. We will be installing a new tub with plumbing. No lights in the house, electricity's off. Remove the door railing. I'm thinking that's the railing from the shower door. Remove 3 layers of tile in order to remove the tub. So, and then tile will be replaced. Pantry, vanity cabinets will be painted. Install a new entry door. Passive locks, new faucet will be installed. Can't see the old ones. Door stop. And install a new P-trap also on the sink. Pest treatment will be completed. Treat the entire house. So that concludes the before repair video of 4219 Ramsgate, January the 28th, 2014, and the time now is 3:27 p.m.